Tired of drowning in paperwork? Let's ditch the chaos and upload your real estate forms into Docusign, so you can streamline your property transactions and stay compliant. First, log into your Docusign account if you don't have one. You'll need to create an account now that you are logged in. Click on New button at the top left-hand corner. A drop-down menu will appear here. Select the option to sign or manage documents. This will take you to a page where you can upload your forms. Simply click the Upload button. This will open your computer's File Explorer, allowing you to find the forms you wish to use. Locate the real estate form you need. It can be a PDF, Word document, or other supported file type. Once you found it, select the file and click Open. Docusign will now upload and process the form. Once uploaded, you can add recipients, specify their roles, and add fields for signatures, initials, dates, and other necessary information. Just drag and drop what you need. Repeat this process for all the necessary fields and recipients. Once everything is in place, click Send. Docusign will then guide your recipients through the signing process. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded and prepared a real estate form in Docusign. Start streamlining your transactions today and boost your productivity.